In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable algorithmic trading on MetaTrader 5. If you want to use automated strategies, trading bots, or expert advisors in MetaTrader 5, one of the most important settings you need to turn on is algorithmic trading. Without this enabled, your automated tools may be installed correctly, but they still will not be allowed to place or manage trades. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to switch it on. Start by opening MetaTrader 5 and looking at the top menu of the platform. From there, click on Tools. This menu gives you access to several platform settings and configurations, including the controls for automated trading. Once the Tools menu opens, select Options. This will bring up the main settings window, where you can adjust how the platform behaves. Inside the Options window, look for the tab labeled Expert Advisors and open it. This section is specifically designed for settings related to automated trading systems. If you're using expert advisors to analyze the market, generate signals, or place trades automatically, this is the area you need to work with. It's also where MetaTrader lets you define whether those tools are allowed to operate on your account. Now, in the Expert Advisors tab, find the setting called Allow Algorithmic Trading and check that box. Once this option is enabled, MetaTrader 5 will permit automated strategies to run, assuming your expert advisor is properly installed and attached to a chart. This is the key setting that activates algorithmic trading at the platform level. After enabling it, make sure to apply or confirm the change if your platform asks you to. That way, the setting is saved and active immediately. If your automated trading tool still doesn't start afterward, it's a good idea to double check that the expert advisor is loaded correctly and that any additional permissions required by your strategy are also configured. This is a very small setting, but it's an essential one if you plan to automate any part of your trading workflow in MetaTrader 5. Once it's turned on, you'll be ready to use compatible automated systems more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.